All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. We had an amazing trading this morning. Market gap down significantly. Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz, and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and welcome to my channel. Apparently there was a news that called for the numbers came out, and that number was retail sales number or something like that. It means that the consumers are spending really good money, and that happened that the US dollar rallied significantly. Look at 830. Look at this US dollar. This is a currency. This is the biggest currency in the world. US dollar CAD rallied significantly, over 0.5%. It means that, and usually currencies move when the one currency interest rate is bigger than the other one. So people said, okay, oh shit, the economy is still very strong, consumer spending, inflation is not coming down, the Federal Reserve is going to increase the rate, therefore your US dollar get stronger significantly against most of the pairs, and this is Canadian. This is a huge move. This is not a low float stock. This is not pump and dump. The currencies are the biggest instrument in the world. Like trillions of dollars every day is being traded. So a move like that is very meaningful. So it means that really the interbanks and these are not retail, these are really huge institutions, and central banks are buying and selling the currencies. So that move was something big, and it dropped the market because they said, oh, this inflation doesn't come down. But as the market opens down, surprisingly, actually lost all of the gains. Do you see that? It's unbelievable that the US dollar is trading like a penny stock, pop up and then going down. It's just unbelievable. So what happened in the market was the Qs were also gapping down. It sold off significantly, but really bounced back like a V-shaped reversal. This is unbelievable. One thing that I noticed that was IWM was running up from the beginning. Like IWM is a smaller cap. Right at the open, this was gapping down as well, but continued ripping all 1%. And IWM is an index that, because there are small caps, it has a smaller market capitalization. So if something starts money flowing going through that, this one is going to go up faster than Q and SPY, because the market cap of SPY and Qs are significantly higher. So that was a sign for me that maybe market wants to bounce, but that's not enough for me to take the trade. So I was patient, look at the QQQ, and saw that QQQ really sold off all the way up to this level, which is a 2 days ago low, 36.75, and I decided to take that level for the long and see if we can get a bounce from that. I wasn't expecting this bounce, but I decided to take that bounce from it. But for QQQ, what you can do is you can trade TQQQ, which is a leverage product exactly like QQQ, exactly like mirror, but in a more volatile way. So that's what I did. I went long TQQQ at 36.90. I had that heavy size, and the rest is history. And now we're trading above $38, all the way up above $18. And again, I want to mention that this is the QQQ chart. Again, look at the change, and then it goes to TQQ. So this is the same chart, but it's a much more significant move on that. And then that was a very big size. I mentioned that in the chat room on TQQ, $18,000 up, still $4,000 unrealized. And I also had the NVIDIA as well. So NVIDIA long at 427.65 and popped up. So I'm gonna walk you through that as well. So overall, so far, trading has been really nice, and that bounce was very amazing, and I'm very proud of the trade that we took in the community altogether. So if you want to watch NVIDIA as well, NVIDIA sold off, was down 7%. I took it long a little bit too early, got it stopped out. But looking at the 5-minute chart, it closed as a doji, so it would have been a really nice long as well. So again, this closes a doji. So this closes as a doji. You could have gone long here, exactly. Get this really nice move up back to the VWAP. So that was essentially the two trades that I did. I got to stop that once on NVIDIA. As you see here, I went long for the double bottom, got to stop out. As soon as it came back up, I got back in there at 427.60, and then the rest is history. Went all the way up to 438.72, which is again unbelievable market volatility. This is just unbelievable, and I'm very happy and proud of that. Brian, how was your trading day?
No, it was good. I took a trade right at the open on AMD, but I think it was your strategy was better just to wait. But yeah, I did your trades, similar trades on NVIDIA, except I did it a little differently. I sold when we started the bottom there, I just sold some 420 puts, so essentially that makes me long NVIDIA. So I got about $4.50 for them, $4.30 for them, and then I've covered them. They're about half that right now. So and I bought some 450 calls long, so I'm just holding on to those for now. And those are a bit of a flyer. They're only $2 at this, at least when I bought them. Now they're up a bit. So yeah, and other than that, I traded Amazon with one of our Avi was talking about Amazon, and one of our other traders, Whale, in the room was talking about it. Caught it at the bottom at this just around 120, just under 128, 128.70, and caught a nice move on it. And that was right at S6. We already had talked about that level being a level of support. So yeah, had a nice trade on that. So yeah, the day turned into a really good day for sure. And I still have some positions. So we'll see if Nvidia can crawl back up to 950.
Yeah, this is really nice. Like all the names are really had a very massive bounce, and obviously I got a really nice true TQQ, and it looks like it's going to continue going higher. On 5-minute chart, we're going to have some serious resistance here, but I just sorry, I just loved it, the way that it's bouncing back. Anyways, so Nvidia is at also resistance. I'm getting out of 438.17. So that's very nice, and we'll see how the market goes. But overall, has been really nice. This is like over a $30,000 day for me. Would have been very nice again. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. All the best. And so tonight I have the presentation about trading options, and we have also the Bookmap webinar at 12 p.m. I don't know if it's in the chat room or in the education center. It might be in the chat room. Just check it, either chat room or education center. And the webinar room. It's either one of these two. So make sure that you benefit from that. We're gonna record it as well. All right, guys. All the best, and see you in the chat tomorrow.